How to set adapt sound to clear or soft on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, click on Sound Quality and Effects. After click on Sound Quality and Effects, click on after click on Sound and Vibration, click on Adapt Sound. After click on Adapt Sound, so you will select from here. I will select 30 to 60 years old. After select 30 to 60 years old, you will see sound preferences here. If you want to set sound preference clear or soft, if you want to set soft, click on soft, you will see sound preferences set on soft. If you want to set sound preference clear, click on clear, you will see sound preferences set on clear. After select soft and clear, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set adapt sound to clear or soft on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.